nerves. Pre-show nerves. Good morning, sparkly people. I know that I am not looking so sparkly this morning, but I am welcoming you to my very first traveling showgirl vlog. So in this traveling showgirl vlog, I'm taking you guys with me on my road trip to Kansas City. I'm performing with Burlesque Downtown Underground for one night only for their Under the Mistletoe show. I'm so excited because I am the current reigning queen of Kansas City Burlesque, even though I don't look like it right now. So I'm getting ready to get on the road with my fiance, but I ran into Walmart first, and now I'm getting ready to go into Michael's. We're right in front of Michael's, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I couldn't take you guys in Walmart because it was entirely too busy, but we can go in Michael's together. So immediately I was wrong. There are a million people in here right now. I am gonna grab some glitter. I'm looking for the iridescent one. I think it's this one. Yes, Glitz Brilliant Extra Fine. This stuff is amazing. This travel outfit of the day. So cute. There were like 50,000 people in Michael's. There's never 50,000 people in There's never 50,000 people in this particular Michael's. Now I'm behind schedule. I made it. It's a little past 11 o'clock. It's 11:25. But I made it back to the car.
It's a half hour past 11 o'clock.
Okay, so we made it to our Airbnb. It's actually pretty cute. While I was getting the keys, a homeless man told me that I was beautiful.
What homeless man?
All right, guys, it is time for me to get all of this together since we're already here. My fiance just ran out to see if he could find us food, but I am gonna go ahead and get my life together. So I'm about to do a quick show face, or an actual show face for you guys. Got one brow going. So I've gotten a little bit further in the process. I don't know if you guys can see that. Going into the cut crease here, and I'm about to put my eyeliner on. Yeah, I'll take a drink. Red lip liner, because I'm a showgirl. This beautiful blusher. I think we've finished showgirl face. So transformation mostly complete here. I've still got my hair pin curled up here, and I added in my extensions, and that's still pinned a little bit. So I'm gonna spread this out once we get to the venue. Hopefully everything will look good. I'm really excited to get there and get started. All right, so now we're dressed. Got the stuff. I'm bringing an iron with me because I didn't get a chance to iron my costume. And I've got my stuff on, and I've got the fiance rolling the bag, and we're about to head out. I look bald. While we're out here, just been taking the scenery. This lobby is to die for. Killing me, Smalls. Supposed to be there like in 5 minutes. First impressions, this place is so cute. It is awesome. They have food, they have coffee, they have drinks. They have a stage, and I'm going to show you guys in just a second. That's the stage. So this particular venue did not have a backstage area, so they let us change in the kitchen, next to the standing mixers. Now this setup is pretty typical for a burlesque show, unless of course you perform in theaters. So you just make it do what it do, you get dressed and you get paid. So I am pretty much dressed for my first number, so I put on my robe and now I'm gonna go out and watch a little bit of the show. I was performing at this Burlesque Club in St. Louis, and I could feel my leg like pushing back. So I tried to keep my head straight and just keep doing what I was doing, because it was a lip syncing number. I was pretending to be somebody, and then this person like slapped my ass, so I turned around because I was in the audience, and my wig flipped backwards, and the whole audience just bust out laughing.
Dancer, producer, founder of Glitter Cabaret and Riding Entertainment within Glitter Girls. She's tap dancing this act a sleigh ride. So, well, I didn't write this. I'm just going to read it. Please. Something about riding her sleigh? Question mark. Bring her out for a long round of applause, Vera, Valentina.
Just finished the first set, or the first show. We're about an hour away from the beginning of the next show, and I need to go change out of my Hawaiian costume, put the white wig on, touch up my makeup, probably my hair too, because I feel like this side of my hair is like already starting to come uncurled. I wonder if you can actually hear me talking. Probably not. It's kind of loud in here.
So yeah, make sure you pencil in the last weekend of April. That's the festival.
I'll be there.
So
It'll be better
yeah.
costume. So we already finished the first show. I've already done my first act in the second show, and this is my second act in the second show, my Hawaiian Christmas costume, and as soon as I'm finished with this, we're done.
I went to school and I was like, it's cool.
We're doing shots.
Oh, it is. Sorry, this took it. My parents.
That's a hat.
Hold on. This is my favorite one. It's from SeaWorld and it's got a sea. I shouldn't be this excited about it, but I am.
I can't be on GoPro.
Producer line.
Hey, I have.
Hey everyone.
Cheers. Cheers.
Is that a peanut butter cup? Did you just taste the Reese's? I'll touch.
What is that? Woo!
We're taking a photo with our friend.
Woo! We're taking photos.
Yay, photos. I need someone to take the photo.
Ah. So, it was a successful evening here in Kansas City. I'm shamelessly wearing my crown. I've had a couple drinks. I'm wearing my sash. And now we're going back to the hotel room where I am going to demolish this sandwich that my lovely, lovely husband-to-be has saved for me. Let's get this cracking. And I'm about to eat this bagel sandwich. It's going to be delicious. Sandwich. We danced, we talked to people, we drank, we did all types of crazy stuff, and now you see what it's like to be a traveling showgirl. So we're back at the Airbnb now, getting ready to go to bed. I'm tired. We're probably gonna get up at about like 5 o'clock in the morning, hop on the road and get back to St. Louis because it's going to snow here in Kansas City tonight, and if we don't leave before a certain time, we will not make it home. So I'm about to demolish this sandwich right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, and this little bit right here. And it's gonna be a good evening.